Play Pibaro, Pidang Subhai Pi, Shapit Kmi, but Kikubo, Baman Kasmi.
Program ever in Meghalaya, especially, and I think.
Minta kasngi ka khatsan tarek nai wiang ar jara puai. Umentri rang ba ka jalau Conrad ke sang ma lembat ka kurim jong u kilale yu Kjat ha ka daw len nong ka baar ha ka jinghe ha ka daw ba Asia ka Nongkhnum ha West Khasi Hills hadin ka Marjuli ha Assam. Ha ka ni ka jingle yu Kjat u Conrad u la Pynbna khat lai Klur tingka ban pen itnat ban pen bhai ka ni ka daw len nong. Ha ka ni ka sngi u Conrad u la kendu ya phliu jing mut ru bat ki nong rap ka West Khasi Hills ha noston. Hakani kas ngi umentri rang ba baru MLA ka than uba mak milan bersat kila IT ka jing yarap pisah ha ki kinhun jong kinong rap ba pher ka balakot sha ka ar pho wai lak khandai phosan hajan
Conrad Sangma. The objective of this program is to provide financial assistance and market accessibility to farmers to increase production, productivity and marketability, and also to change the life of the people in the rural areas. And
Kebetulan balai, kalau hakimi kita kebai opsan di balai, baru tang lain di Kjat pada musim yang bertijur. Andre,
Number one, absolutely, this complaint of ration card is coming everywhere. So we are exploring how we could put MGNRHs, VEC card, job card. So we are seeing if there is some complication, but we will try to resolve this. But in the meantime, we'll start off with the families that have got the ration card, and slowly we will find on how to include the others who don't have ration card. So we are working on that because this is an issue coming out. Kaba ai jingyarap yak nomre jong kachila da kaba ai san hazar manwe unomre. So I hope that has given some idea of what we are doing. I would like to, I'd love to speak more, but I'll learn slowly. But close to 200 crores. We have started already, we have distributed maybe 30 to 40 crores already. We will be touching 200 crores in the span of 2 years, since COVID started. And the second reason why we're doing this, that was the first reason. The second reason why we're doing this is we feel that while the government spends a large amount on government employees, on contractors, because development activity takes place, somehow the farmers are never benefited directly. So we have seen that thousands of crores are gone when we pay teachers, when we pay contractors, when we pay government employees. But direct funding to farmers has never been done. And that is why out of the 14 to 15,000 crores that the Meghalaya government spends every year, we felt that 200 crores to the farmers, 4.5 lakh families is nothing. It's a small amount compared to the large expenditure of 15,000 crores we have every year. And the number of families that we can touch is huge. So therefore, if there are 10 members in your group, 10 multiplied by 5,000 is 50,000 rupees in that group. If you are 20 members, you will get 1 lakh. And the idea really is very simple. We as a government and agriculture department has realized that the farmers sometimes don't even have enough money to buy seeds, to hire a vehicle to take their product to the market, to buy plastic pipes to water their plants, to buy tarpaulin to cover their produce, or even put a small shed to protect and store their product. And we realize that these interventions are not very big. There are not lakhs and crores required. If the farmer can get money, the right amount at the right time, it can make a big difference in the amount any of the state use. And that is why we felt that even if we are able to give 5,000 per family, put it into the account of the group, and the group members can then decide on how they want to use it. Whether this 50,000 will be used for transportation, or you will buy seats in the market with this money, or you will buy pipes, or whatever the producer group members feel